Understanding DNS root servers. Have you ever wondered how a simple domain name like example.com turns into a specific website? The answer lies in the system of DNS root servers. Let's dig into what a DNS root server is, how it functions, and why it's essential for the internet. What is a DNS root server? DNS root servers, or root name servers, are crucial foundational servers at the top of the domain name system, or DNS hierarchy. Their primary role is to translate domain names into the IP addresses that computers need to communicate over the internet. The DNS operates hierarchically, structuring the mapping of domain names to IP addresses. At the very top, we have root servers that manage the root zone, which contains a complete list of all top-level domains. When you enter a domain name into your web browser, that request is sent to a DNS resolver, which then queries a DNS root server to find the relevant top-level domain server. The role of DNS root servers. You might wonder, what happens next? While the root server doesn't possess the actual IP address of the website you're trying to visit, it knows the addresses of servers managing various top-level domains like .com, .org, or .net. This is where it gets interesting. The root server directs the query to the appropriate top-level domain server, effectively guiding the web traffic to the correct location. A fascinating aspect of this system is its efficiency. There are 13 root server addresses, managed by different organizations around the globe, ensuring redundancy and reliability. This structure helps DNS handle the vast number of domain names on the internet smoothly. How DNS root servers work. So, how do DNS root servers ensure seamless internet navigation? Well, it all begins with an initial request to a DNS server. When you type in a website address in your browser, it doesn't directly access that site. Instead, it first consults a DNS server, often provided by your internet service provider, or another server you might have set up. This server checks if it already has the requested IP address saved in its cache. If it does, the server returns the information to your browser, and you can access the site immediately. But if the server doesn't have the information stored, it reaches out for assistance. Querying the root server. In situations where the DNS server lacks the IP address, it queries one of the 13 root servers. This initiates a chain reaction in the DNS hierarchy, leading your request to the correct top-level domain server. Ultimately, this efficient inquiry system ensures that you can access the countless websites and online services that format our digital lives. Without DNS root servers, the reliability of the internet would be drastically affected. They play a crucial role in maintaining the organization of the DNS, directly impacting users' ability to access websites and online services. Conclusion. In summary, DNS root servers are the backbone of the DNS system, facilitating the translation of user-friendly domain names into the numerical IP addresses understood by computers. As the first step in domain name resolution, they play an essential role in the smooth functioning of the internet. Understanding how these servers work enriches our appreciation of the technology that underpins the web experience we often take for granted. Visit our website to learn more. Whatismyip.com